This is the summary created from the video. Cloud Computing Case Study Google Cloud Platform GCP. In this video, we explore the key features and services of Google Cloud Platform, a powerful cloud computing platform from Google. GCP offers both infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, allowing users to host their applications on a user-friendly platform. With global data centers across regions and zones, GCP provides redundancy and fault tolerance. Services like Compute Engine, App Engine, Cloud Storage, and Data Store empower users to take advantage of the cloud. When it comes to compute services, GCP offers both managed and flexible options. Compute Engine provides custom virtual machines, while App Engine is a managed platform that handles patching and maintenance automatically. This allows developers to focus on their core application without worrying about infrastructure concerns. GCP's storage services include Cloud Storage for flexible object storage, Cloud SQL for MySQL relational databases, and Cloud Data Store for NoSQL document databases. These services enable easy access and maintenance of data, ensuring seamless integration with the Google Cloud Platform. GCP also offers a range of app services, such as BigQuery Cloud Endpoints, Caching, and Queues. These services leverage Google APIs, allowing developers to quickly add functionality to their applications without building everything from scratch. The platform's modular design encourages easy integration and scalability. The use cases for Google Cloud Platform are vast. Users can migrate their applications to the cloud for better performance, scale web apps as their user base grows using cloud endpoints, and integrate Google services running locally or in the cloud using Google APIs like App Engine and endpoints. To illustrate the power of GCP, we will demonstrate two examples: hosting a web page on Google Cloud Platform storage services and building a web application using Google App Engine. These examples aim to introduce cloud concepts, especially for those new to this domain. In summary, Google Cloud Platform offers a comprehensive suite of services for infrastructure, platforms, storage, and applications. With its global data centers, managed services, pay-as-you-go model, and seamless integration with Google APIs, GCP empowers developers to focus on their applications while leveraging the power and scalability of the cloud. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.